Hello everybody. Today we will be discussing about decision support system. Decision support system is used to analyze massive amount of data and compile information. The decision makers compile this information from raw data, documents, personal knowledge, and or business models to identify and solve problems and to arrive at a particular decision that proves to be beneficiary for the organization. Let's discuss various characteristics of the system. Firstly, the system is designed to help the decision makers in taking the decisions. It helps in improving the effectiveness of the decisions. Thirdly, it can be used on routine basis or it can be used when needed. DSS is able to handle both semi-structured and unstructured types of decisions. No special assistance is required from any technical professionals to use the DSS. It facilitates communication between various levels of decision making. And IT in DSS provides rapid response to the decision maker request for information. There are various components of decision support system, and majorly four components are considered. First, database management system. Second is model management system. Third is user interface management system. And lastly, knowledge based management system. Let's try and discuss and learn about them one by one. Let's check about database management system. To solve any problem, data is required. This data may come from internal or external resources. Internal systems are the systems that are generated within the system, and the external source of data can be newspapers, online data services, etc. Data management subsystem provides the way for organizing, storing, and manipulating the data. Data management system is basically a software that is designed to assist in maintaining and utilizing large amount of data. Let's come to model management system. A model is a representation of some event, fact, or situation. It is not always possible to experiment with reality, so the models are used to represent such situations. By analyzing the activities in the organization, it is possible to formulate the models and use them effectively. The major objective of model management is to help decision makers understand a situation for which they are taking the decision. Both qualitative and quantitative models are used by the decision makers. A model builder creates, identifies, processes, stores, updates, and maintains different decision making models and ensures that these models are consistently applied when decisions are to be taken. The models which are mostly used by the decision makers are statistical models, marketing models, production models, human resource models, financial and accounting models, and strategic models. This system should be able to provide the following capabilities. This system should be able to provide capabilities like creating a new model, interfacing with the database system, cataloging and maintaining the models, ability to run the models on different sets of data. There are various benefits of the system. Firstly, these models help in taking better decisions. They also provide better insight of the problem. It is easy to make changes in the models and then verify and see the results. The cost of modeling is also low as compared to experimenting with the real system. And the model helps to analyze all possible combinations which are otherwise possible not in the real world. Let's talk about user interface management. This part allows the user to communicate with decision support system. This component helps to combine user capabilities with the system. It provides an interactive environment to the user which helps him or her to interact with the system in an easy manner. And the best user interface is flexible, consistent, simple, and adaptable so that the capabilities can be experimented with. Knowledge-based management system support any of the other subsystems or act as an independent component. They provide information about the relationship among data that is too complex for a database to represent. We will continue with the rest part of the decision support system in the upcoming videos. Thank you.